What if coming home was the last thing you ever wanted, but the only thing that could truly change your life? That's the emotional heart of The Return by Nicholas Sparks, a moving story about loss, healing, love, and the unexpected ways people can change us. Trevor Benson returns to his North Carolina hometown after losing his grandfather and inheriting his old house. He expects a quiet place to recover and figure out what comes next. Instead, he finds himself drawn into the lives of two very different people: a mysterious teenage girl named Callie and Natalie, the local sheriff who captures his attention almost immediately. But Trevor soon realizes that both women are carrying secrets, and the closer he gets to them, the more complicated everything becomes. Like the best Nicholas Sparks stories, The Return isn't simply about romance. It's about the wounds people hide, the choices they regret, and the courage it takes to open your heart again. And this is exactly where the audiobook experience shines. Hearing the characters' emotions unfold through narration makes the quiet moments feel more intimate, the romantic tension more powerful, and the emotional reveals hit harder. If you enjoy heartfelt romance, small-town mysteries, emotional storytelling, and characters searching for a second chance, this is an audiobook worth experiencing. You can find the audiobook through the link in the description and start your free trial. Just be warned, once you enter Trevor's world, you may not want to leave.